An anti-theft rider helmet using Bluetooth that kills a motorcycle's engine if not worn, and an automobile running on electromagnetic power that is more efficient than pure EV or hybrid-built engines are two of the standout inventions duly recognized by the DOST in its latest awards ceremony earlier today. Our Rod Lagusad fills us in with more.
In today's time, it is important to be extra careful, especially with our valuable belongings such as motorcycles, which are now also being targeted by criminals. To help prevent this, students from the University of Makati have developed an innovation that can help deter attempts to steal motorcycles. With the use of an anti-theft electronic wireless cut-off engine starting system, motorcycles cannot be easily stolen or driven away. Without a helmet, the motorcycle cannot be used because the helmet must be worn in order to start the engine.
For safety, na hindi sila po pwedeng makapag-operate ng motor without wearing their helmet. So always, as always, kailangan isuot nila bago sila makapagpaandar naman. Yun lang po yung pinaka main purpose and main goals.
The helmet is connected to the motorcycle's engine via Bluetooth with a range of up to 30 meters.
Kapag may mga circumstances po na theft situation, tapos tinangay po ang ating motorcycle, kahit po malayo na po siya, once natanggalin lang po ang ating helmet, hindi na po gagana yung ating motorcycle.
They say this could be helpful in case a rider is forcibly robbed of their motorcycle. The rider might wait to reach a safe distance before removing the helmet, causing the motorcycle to shut down and giving the rider a chance to seek help from authorities. Meanwhile, another innovation was developed to make vehicle engines run more efficiently. From oil-dependent engines to electric power, an inventor created a device to improve this further. This is the electromagnetic power generating device or electrogravitational pulsar, which requires only a amount of electricity compared to electric vehicles that need more power to run vehicles, especially on inclines.
Imbis na i-upgrade ko yung battery at saka i-upgrade ko yung electric motor, why hindi natin i-try gamitin yung natural energy na merong power? Yun na yun, yung gravity. Pwede palang i-convert. Pinag-aralan ko ng maigi yan.
These are just two of the innovations recognized at the Regional Invention Contest and Exhibits of the Department of Science and Technology.
Meron silang next steps na pwedeng i-access sa mga programs ng DOST. For instance, pwede natin silang tulungan doon sa aming iHubs na meron sa bawat PSTO or bawat CASTO office namin. Meron din kaming Technology Business Incubator, so pwede natin initially doon sa iHub para ma-further refine.
Pwede namin silang bigyan ng assistance para maprotektuhan ang kanilang invention like yung intellectual property assistance since na-expose na po yung kanilang invention dito sa event. So within span of 1 year, dapat makapag-file na po sila ng IP.
This event is part of the President's directive to the DOST to help commercialize developed innovations for the benefit of the public. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.